Good day everyone and welcome to our new video. Today not one but three coins that we're going to discuss. Avax, Sol and Egld. Let's start by comparing Solana and Avalanche. Why? Because they are some of the biggest Ethereum rivals in the world. But they're not just rivals of Ethereum, they are rivals of each other. The two have significantly faster speeds and lower costs than Ethereum. In most cases, they can handle thousands of transactions per second for just a few dollars. So you may be wondering which of the two is the best option to buy or invest. I will tell you that later in this video. But let's start with Solana. Solana is a type of cryptocurrency or digital currency that was initially released in April 2019 and started trading at less than $1 per coin. Since then, its price has risen remarkably fast, rising to above $200, of course, before falling alongside other cryptocurrencies for the most part of this year or 2022. It's among the top 10 largest cryptocurrencies by total value, according to CoinMarketCap.com. Solana is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies among more than 10,000 that currently exist. The cryptocurrency platform is called Solana, while the individual unit is called a Sol. Created by Anatoly Yakovenko, Solana, like many other coins that we previously mentioned, operates on a decentralized computer network using a blockchain. Solana calls itself the fastest blockchain in the world and touts its ability to verify 65,000 transactions per second at a cost for less than a penny each. While many people think of crypto coins as only a currency, it's useful to think of crypto as a token that can power or enable other apps on the platform. Solana can power several applications that offer a variety of features. Like currency itself, with the cryptocurrency wallet, you can use Solana to send or receive the coin or transfer it in exchange for goods and services. Another function is smart contracts that are apps that automatically execute the terms of the contract when its conditions have been fulfilled. The popular NFTs or non-fungible tokens, often associated with digital art, NFTs can be powered with Solana, allowing artists and others to sell them to consumers. DeFi. With Solana, you can create and use permissionless payments, ones that can avoid centralized or government control. dapps. Besides its other functions, Solana supports the development of a range of other apps, including video games, investing, social media, and much more. And lastly, proof of history approach. In addition to a proof of stake approach to validate transactions, Solana instead timestamps them, eliminating the ability to reorder transactions to a validator's advantage. This helps make Solana a censorship-resistant network. Once again, think of Solana as a token that can power various apps, rather than merely as a currency that transfers monetary value from one person to another. There were about 353 million Sol in circulation. Like many coins, Solana has a limited annual issuance, as coins are rewarded to those supporting the cryptocurrency. Solana began by increasing its supply by 8% annually, but that figure declines 15% each year until it ultimately reaches 1.5% annually, which is its fixed ongoing issuance. Solana uses a so-called proof-of-stake system to verify transactions, manage its coin supply, and create new coins. To participate in a proof-of-stake system, you need to own the cryptocurrency, but then you can earn rewards for helping to operate the system. By staking tokens with a validator, you're putting trust in the validators to authorize transactions. However, as with other proof-of-stake systems, stakers can lose money if validated transactions don't meet the system's rules. For verifying transactions, validators receive staking rewards in the form of new coins and take a cut of the rewards as a commission. They then pass on the rest of the reward to those who have staked with them, proportionally to their ownership interest. Pretty much like Ethereum and Solana, Avalanche as well supports smart contracts to run decentralized applications, or as we call them, dapps, on its network. Both Avalanche and Solana have had a difficult year as the momentum that happened in 2021 simply faded. As a result, their tokens have crashed by more than 80%. Their key industries like NFTs and DeFi have also plummeted. As you can see on the table, Avalanche, which has more than 200 apps, has a total value locked, which is TVL, of more than $1.5 billion. But on this table, you can see that its TVL is 11.21 billion. So you can see the downfall. On the other hand, Solana as well has 83 apps and now a TVL of $1.3 billion, down from an all-time high of over $10 billion. On this table, it's 6.88, but there were times that Solana really had over $10 billion. The volume of NFT sales in Solana and Avalanche has been in a downward trend this year as well. The monthly volume of Avalanche NFTs peaked at over $151 million in January 2022 and then crashed to just 758,000 in June. As well, Solana's NFT sales peaked at $286,000 in October and then in July only $64,000. But you might be wondering, what is the role of Elrond Gold in all of this? We could say that Elrond Network is a relatively new blockchain network with fast and cheap transactions. The EGLD or eGold is the native coin for Elrond Network and is used for governance of the network. Also, gas fees on Elrond Network are paid in eGold coin. Elrond Network also focuses on blockchain interoperability. A large innovation pioneered by Elrond is the Secure Proof-of-Stake Consensus Mechanism, or SPOS, which is an improvement on the original proof of stake. In the Secure Proof-of-Stake, the block proposer node is selected randomly, making it unpredictable and therefore hard to tamper with. Also, validator nodes are chosen not only based on their stake, but also taking into account their rating, a history of the node's behavior. Elrond coin, or eGold, is used for staking, transaction fees, other payments like the smart contract fees, the gas fees that I mentioned, and is also a primary medium of exchange on the platform. eGold token holders will also be eligible to claim Elrond MEX, the token that will be distributed to the users of Maiar Exchange. It is a DEX that is a part of the Elrond ecosystem. Why I mentioned Elrond just now? Unlike the previously mentioned Avalanche and Solana, Elrond itself does not position itself as an Ethereum competitor, but rather as a technology to help solve some of the pressing issues of the internet at scale. I know that you still might be wondering what would be the best buy between Avax and Solana and Elrond Gold. Well, between Avalanche's Avax and Solana's Sol, as we discussed in the video so far, the two coins have a close correlation with each other, which explains why the prices have moved in sync this year. In my view and in my opinion, I truly believe that Solana is a better investment than Avalanche. For one, its DeFi ecosystem is relatively more balanced than that of Avalanche. At the same time, Solana's Web3 projects like StepN, Audius, Magic Eden, Swim, and Grape Protocol have a strong market share in their industries. In one of my next videos, I will discuss StepN more detailedly because it's a very interesting NFT. But what about Elrond? I also believe that Elrond is a good investment to make, considering the fact that it has been fully operational since day one, which is July 2020, with transfers and smart contracts enabled. It's really good that it is available right now, and there is no need to wait a few years to use its advantages in full. I truly hope that you enjoyed this video and that this video helped you what to invest in the future. Please share your thoughts about these coins in the comments below, and in the description of this video you can find the link to download the free ebook, The Ultimate Guide to Bitcoin and Cryptocurrency Trading and Investing. Don't worry, if you're new to cryptocurrencies, this book is still suitable for you. It's suitable for everyone. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video.